Hello friends, welcome to Master Learning YouTube channel. In this video, I will begin the discussion on part 2 of the Indian Constitution, which deals with the provisions of citizenship. According to the provisions of Citizenship Act, a person can acquire Indian citizenship by 5 ways, which are by birth, by descent, by registration, by naturalization, and by incorporating of territory. In this video, I will discuss the conditions which a child born in India must satisfy to get Indian citizenship by birth. Jus Soli is a Latin term. It deals with the rights of a child born in a particular nation to get the citizenship of that nation. To understand citizenship by birth, we have to remember three dates, which are 26th January 1950, 1st July 1987, and then 3rd December 2004. If you remember, it will be very easy to understand citizenship by birth. The Citizenship Act was enacted by the Parliament in the year 1955, according to which a person born in India on or after 26th January 1950 is a citizen of India by birth, irrespective of the nationality of his or her parents. So, here what we have to understand is a child born in India is a citizen of India, irrespective of nationality of his or her parents. The only condition that child must satisfy is he or she should be born in India on or after 26th January 1950. Citizenship Act was amended in 1986, which modified the provisions for acquiring Indian citizenship by birth slightly. It is required because children born to illegal migrants from Bangladesh and Sri Lanka were also citizens of India according to the earlier provision, which was very simple. That is, child has to be born in India on or after 26th January 1950. So, because of this very simple condition for acquiring Indian citizenship by birth, children born to illegal migrants from Bangladesh and Sri Lanka were also citizens of India according to this provision. So, it is very necessary at that time to modify the provisions. So, Parliament has amended the Act accordingly. So, which mentions two conditions for childhood by birth. One, for children who are born or after 26th January 1950, but before 1st July 1987. So that condition was same as earlier condition, but for the children who are born on or after 1st July 1987, the condition is slightly different. So here either of his or her parents must be a citizen of India at the time of childbirth. So at the time of childbirth, either his father or mother must be a citizen of India. Otherwise, child will not be eligible to become Indian citizen. So with this condition, the children born to illegal migrants cannot acquire Indian citizenship. So now, what about a child born to Indian citizen and illegal migrant? According to earlier provisions, it mentions either of the parent must be Indian citizen. So this could be either father or mother. It don't put any restriction on the other partner. So according to earlier provisions, the child must be Indian citizen. So to solve this problem, Parliament once again amended Citizenship Act in the year 2003, which puts an additional condition for the children born on or after 3rd December 2004. The additional condition is the second partner must not be an illegal migrant. It means if an Indian citizen marries an illegal migrant and have children, they cannot acquire Indian citizenship. I hope you might have understood the conditions which a child must satisfy to be an Indian citizen by birth. So the conditions depend on the date on which the child was born. If the child was born between 26th January and 1st July 1987, the condition is irrespective of nationality of parents, the child is citizen of India. For the child who was born between 1st July 1987 and 3rd December 2004, the condition is either of the parents must be citizen of India. Either of parents. And for the child born between uh, the child born between 3rd December 2004 to till date, the condition is either of the parents must be citizen of India and other should not be illegal migrant. So now, for example, the children born on 1st January 2022 So for such a child, father is citizen of India, father is Indian citizen, and mother is a foreigner. Let's assume the mother is a foreigner, and the child was born in India. The child was born in India. For such a child, the third condition applies. Since the child is born in India and either of the parents, that is, father in this case, is a citizen of India and mother is a foreigner but not an illegal migrant. She might have come to India by with the permission of the Indian government, that is, she might have visited India by proper visa and passport. So for such a child can acquire Indian citizenship by birth, the government cannot deny. So thank you for watching the video. If you understand, so please mention it in the comments. It will be encouraging for me to upload videos quickly. Thank you for watching the video.